So, bringing it all together. I wouldn't have said this even 3 years ago, but as I mentioned in the beginning, the memory industry, the memory business is a very good business. It's an area where people have shunned investment, but now there's new opportunities for everybody to participate. I mentioned this in the presentation last year, but in almost always market segment, even if technologies converge. And every time there's segmentation, there's new opportunities. I think in the next couple of years, you're going to find completely new memory architectures that have completely new systems associated with them and attack particular segments or subsegments that deal with the problems more efficiently and at higher performance and lower power. Flash is certain to be the lowest cost memory, but without changing the architecture and how it's used, it's going to continue to have performance issues. And it's not going to be fixed until the emerging technologies fill the gap, which could be 2 years or it could be 10 years. So it's a long time away. Many of the customers, when I talk about customers, I don't mean the semiconductor guys we normally work with. I'm talking about the customer's customer, really the downstream users, are thinking about specialized memory architectures like they haven't before, really because some of the problems, especially in mobile, or in the data center, as I outlined, the power is becoming such a big problem that they're going to have to deal with it. And if I thought about a place with incredible technical talent, a fantastic education system producing good engineers and continuing to produce good engineers, great engineering on the hardware side, great engineering on the software side, a desire, based on this conference, to create new electronic systems and government support to do that, it's certainly India. So if I was you, and I say this from the bottom of my heart, not because of Rambus and where I work, but truly because I believe this as a manager, as an entrepreneur, and as a serial CEO, this is a place to look to innovate, and I think you could do an outstanding job, be it as a small startup or as a large player. And that's it. The last words, memory matters, again. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it was indeed a very interesting presentation with regard to the driving the need for innovative memory solutions. Before we leave Dr. Ron Black, I would request Mr. Janaki Raman, the President and Group CEO Engineering of Mindtree, to kindly come over and give a memento to our esteemed speaker. But don't worry, 2 more speakers, and after that, Dr. Black will come back for answering the queries. Thank you, sir.